Meaning of incessant.
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 Incessant. The word incessant refers to something that continues without pause or interruption, often in a manner that is viewed as annoying or unpleasant. It implies a constant and unrelenting nature, without any breaks or relief. This can refer to anything from sounds like a dripping faucet, to the buzzing of insects, or even the non-stop chatter of a talkative person. Such a situation can be mentally and emotionally exhausting for those exposed to it, and can even cause stress or anxiety for some individuals. Overall, incessant suggests a never-ending and relentless state of affairs.